हाय गाइस, गुड इवनिंग। तो मैं आपको बस ये पूछना चाह रहा था, लाइक क्योंकि आप मेरे स्टेटस लॉन्ग टाइम से देख रहे हो, राइट? आई एम डूइंग सम एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग फॉर फ्यू brands, and of course LeadZug is one of them, right? Now why I'm promoting LeadZug, because LeadZug is the best platform where actually you can learn affiliate marketing, right? So I just want to ask you, you're watching my story now. This question is particularly for the people who has been reached out to me, who wanted to know, like, okay, Aditya, tell me what is about this affiliate marketing, and what is this about LeadZug? I mean, how you're making money. So I told that it's pretty much simple, that you want to make money, or you want to make some side income. Then what you have to do, you have to affiliate marketing. That is the best way to do online side business, right? Now, to do affiliate marketing, what do you need to do? You need to learn first that how you can successfully do affiliate marketing to make money, because there are a crore of people are there now. At least lakhs of people are doing affiliate marketing, but how many people are successful? The people are successful who have got the basic training of how to do the affiliate marketing effectively. Now, to do this effective affiliate marketing, you need to go through certain training program. Now, LeadZug is the one of those based platform where actually you can go through the training under the experts who have been already trained more than 30,000 people in the last 1 year, and everyone has become a successful affiliate marketer, right? So now what you have to do, you have to go through the training, which is online, so you can access anytime, whether you're a student, whether you're a part-time worker, you can log in anytime, you can access anytime, and you can learn anytime. So within 10 to 15 days you can learn. And after that, what you have to do, you have to follow the same process, the strategy, the tricks, that how you can do the affiliate marketing using the social media marketing, using attraction marketing. All of the things you will learn here. So after learning, you can definitely do affiliate marketing effectively, and you can also make money out of it. So now my question is that you have got all the details earlier as well, right? It's not just that the first time I'm telling you, but the thing is that after hearing all the details, after seeing all the details, after checking out all the details, what you have done, you have stopped yourself to take the decision. So you were just one step away from the decision to take and go ahead, but you have stopped because you have to invest some amount to learning. But you didn't understand that it was for your learning. You're paying some amount for your learning, you're paying some amount for your training purpose. So if you don't want training, that's fine, you can go ahead and you can get trained yourself from anywhere, and you can do the affiliate marketing. That's completely fine. But if you want to do this affiliate marketing effectively, and you want a best trainer to guide you, to train you, then I think LeadZug is the best platform for the same. That is why I'm making this video right now, to clear all of your doubts, that okay, what is affiliate marketing, what is LeadZug, and what is the role of LeadZug, what is the best way to do affiliate marketing, how anybody can start with affiliate marketing and make money. So basically, you have to think that if you want to do affiliate marketing, so forget about affiliate marketing first. Understand that if you want to make some money, if you want to make some side income, what do you have to do? You have to do, I think, with two options. One is that you can go ahead with the offline business, which is not possible right now because lockdown is going on, and of course for offline business you have to make a lot of investment, right? But for online business, what you have to do, you have to maybe you can do digital marketing, you can do affiliate marketing. Now, digital marketing is a very vast thing, but affiliate marketing is a very small but very compact and also very effective business in online. That is why people are selecting affiliate marketing to do, I think, for any brands or any product or any marketplace, right? So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is nothing but to promote a digital product on social media, on digital platforms, and through all of your promotion, whenever a company's product is getting sold, right, then you are making a commission for that sum, right? Now, to do this affiliate marketing, what you have to do, you have to go through a training program, because until unless you are getting trained, until unless you know that how to do affiliate marketing effectively, you cannot succeed, right? And that is why I am promoting LeadZug, because I have certainly gone through their training program, and I thought that this is the best affiliate marketing program I have ever came across, right? And that is why I'm suggesting you that if you want to do affiliate marketing right now, and you want to utilize this lockdown, you want to utilize your extra time. If you don't want to play Netflix and chill, then definitely you can utilize your time to learn more new skills, upgrade your skills, and also using those skills you can make money. And one of the great example is the affiliate marketing, right? And of course, the training fees are not that very big much, like it's only 7,000 plus 18% GST. So I think we almost everyone using a smartphone or mobile phone or whatever you say, that cost I think more than 10,000 minimum. So a training program which is cost less than a mobile phone cost, right? I'm pretty much sure anybody can invest and they can learn out of it, and they can also apply the strategy, the process to do the effectively affiliate marketing. So after that, if you think that there is some query, still you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp number given. And also just think of it if certainly you have like say 8,000 rupees in your bank account and you're not utilizing that amount in anywhere. Forget about wasting money on parties and here and there. Just think that you have 8,000 in your bank and you have kept it for 1 month. You are not utilizing that 8,000 at all. How much interest you have got? And I have similarly invested that 8,000 in the learning purpose. I have learned a skill, and using that skill I have made 60,000 in a month. So which is better now, you think? Now the decision is in your court. The decision you have to take, right? So everything is in your hand. It's just that you have to think that what you have to do and how you can improve your skill, how you can utilize your time, and how you can utilize those time to make money. Simple as it. So if you have any other questions, you can definitely reach out to me anytime, right? So my WhatsApp number is given. Just don't directly call me because I also have a full-time job, right? So if you want to call me please after 8 p.m. Otherwise you can drop me a WhatsApp message. So thank you so much for checking this video, and if you think that it's helpful or informative for you, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and as well as you can connect me on the WhatsApp for getting more and more details on affiliate marketing, and as well as more and more details on the leads arc and how much I have made. Already I have made 3 lakhs in the last 5 months along with my full-time job. That's the power of affiliate marketing. So don't waste time and utilize your time to make money side by side. Thank you so much.